This clock is really touchy on where it's sitting. Needs to be level. It's old and touchy. But as you can see right now, it's working just fine. Let me turn this around. It does have an on and off for the chime. Chimes on the 15 minutes, the 30 minutes, the 45, and the hour. This was made in England. It looks like Bentima. I will be selling it as is, just because it is touchy where it's sitting. As I said, it's still working perfectly right now where it's sitting. You just need to get it very level. Try it in a couple places if it doesn't work for you the first time.